The fuck no. Did that whatever thing come off your car, or did you hit that thing?
It came off of, there was 2 tow trucks towing those big waste management trucks.
Yeah.
And that piece came flying off from underneath of it all the way from the right lane all the way into this left lane. Yeah, and now it blew my whole front right tire out.
Damn. Oh, it's just a flat, that's fine. Let's get this motherfucker back on the road. Mission accomplished. Bro is not going to be stranded, so I'm happy with it. See ya. Woo! Almost stalled the bitch.